Hey guys, I am going to install an additional SSD to my Acer laptop. The SSD I am using is EVM M.2 SATA 1TB SSD. Let's begin. So, this is the place where the SSD will be installed. Need to remove cap first. Make sure your M.2 SSD has SATA interface, not the NVMe. Here goes my SSD. Now to fix this need a screw. But unfortunately there is neither a screw inside laptop nor provided with SSD. Luckily, I have some screws which I have collected from various PC parts. So from my personal collection this should work. It's time to boot up. Naturally the new disk drive is not present here. We have to run disk management. I choose GPT out of these two. Then create a new volume. Volume name can be changed from here. Now appears the new volume total of 953 GB. Let's do a speed test with Crystal Disk. Thanks for watching till the last.